Welcome to Mixing with the Geek. Today we'll be making an Ivory Sour, which is the paired cocktail for the December 2015 Vinyl Me Please featured album, Spaces by Nils Frahm. We'll start by making the Earl Grey Syrup. Simply brew a pot of your favorite Earl Grey tea, and while it's still hot, measure out a cup, add in a cup of sugar, and stir to dissolve. Once cool, bottle your syrup and it'll keep in the fridge for a couple of weeks. You can optionally add an ounce of overproof white rum and it'll last much longer. Now that we made our syrup, we can begin the cocktail. Grab a mixing tin and add some ice. Followed by 2 ounces of KOVAL Four Grain whiskey. Then a 1/4 ounce of lightly peated Scotch, a 1/2 ounce of Zucca Amaro. Now this is actually an Italian liqueur made from rhubarb and other spices. It's actually pretty cool and not as sweet as you might think. Next we add a 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Finally we add a 1/2 ounce of our Earl Grey syrup. And now we shake. Now we grab a double old-fashioned glass, fill it with fresh ice, and double strain the contents of our mixing tin into our glass. And there you have an Ivory Sour. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, if that doesn't put hair in your chest, I don't know what will. That is a fantastic drink. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting it to be that smooth. It's so good, it's so good. I love how all the characters play together. It's woody, it's smoky, there's a hint of sweetness, there's some bitter in there. Oh man, it plays so good. This is my kind of cocktail. This is a vinyl pad style cocktail. Lots of mahogany, leather-bound books. That's this drink. As always, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.